Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Code and Canvas. So today I'm going to be telling you how you can host your website locally on your computer, meaning you don't have to buy any hosting services out there. You just have to install a simple app into your laptop or computer, and it's going to allow you to host your website. From there, you can access the dashboard, you can do your customization, you can manage your website through that app. But definitely, as you know, as soon as your computer or laptop shuts down, your whole website shuts down with it as well. So if you're a person who needs to access their website every time, then I recommend going for the hosting services. Go for the hosting for the WordPress. There are some sales going on every time whenever you land on their website. So for the matter, if we look for the website, so as you can see, it's $2 a month, and that's pretty cheap. Cheaper than the coffee that you take in every morning. So let's get started. Now, first things first, as I have mentioned, we will be using an app to host our website. So the name of the app is Locally. So here you can just search for localhost WordPress. Then the first thing you will be seeing is this website, localwp.com. Hit on that, then it will definitely take you to the website from where you can download this app. This is going to be the basic, the layout of this app. But to download it, hit on the download free button, and then there are some things that you basically needs to make sure, so you don't download, not supported app for your local iOS or for your computer. So just hit on please choose your platform. In there, you have to select which Apple or laptop you're using. I'm using Windows, so hit on that. Then you definitely have to put in your first name and last name, and then you have to select the option that you like. But definitely, this is just to have them store in their system that we have a new user, right? You can definitely put in your names, whatever you prefer, and then you have to put in the work email. But this is not some things that you get in your email and download it. So just type in your active email address, or just copy paste from the tab emails. Hit on get it now, and then you guys will see here. As you can see, it is big in the storage, but definitely it's worth a shot to have your website locally installed. But this is for the people who wants to test the WordPress websites, the best things that you can do in the WordPress website. But definitely, if you are looking to access your website every time, then I recommend you going for the hosting services. The link is going to be in the description, so you guys can just hit on the link and avail the deal. But definitely, as you guys can see, it's downloading. So meanwhile, just pause right there and just subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that's going to help a lot to grow my channel. So see you once it is downloaded. All right, so I have successfully downloaded it. Now, if you guys don't see it, then what you guys have to do is hit on this download icons, and then you will see the app. Just hit on that. It will load up a little bit. Then it will give you this box. Now here, what you guys have to do is install it. So I'm going to go with the pretty much defined ones. So at the moment, select for only me. Yeah, install. All right, so now, as you guys can see, it is installed. So let's wait a little bit, and it will be installed in your laptop or computer. All right, so now as you guys can see, the local setup is completely installed. Now hit on finish. Please make sure to check it so it can run. So hit on finish, and then it will take a little bit time. Then you will see this type of screen from the local on your system or computer, or before this, it will ask you to set up your website so that you can host it locally. So as you can see, this is what I got. All right. So now in here, what you guys have to do is just hit on the plus icon. It will show you this option, or these are going to be the options that you see before the dashboard. So what you guys have to do is either you hit on create new, or you can create from a blueprint, or you can just upload the existing file, or the the backup that you have from your previous website, or that you want to test it out. You guys can simply upload over here and then hit on continue. So for the course of this video, I'm going to be creating a new site. So I have selected that, hit on continue, then name your website. For example, I'm giving it TUD. Then if you hit on the advanced options, you can see the local site domain TUD.local, and then you will see the path where it is stored. Now hit on continue, and then obviously if you want to customize it a little bit, you need a different PHP version, web server, or a database, then you can do so. But if you are just new to hosting your website in your laptop, then I would suggest you to go with a preferred one. Hit continue. Then here you have to define your WordPress name from where you will be able to log into the dashboard. So code canvas, then the password code is going to be this one, which as I have selected, and then your WordPress email that you want to access it from. So here, if you want to hit an additional options, then you definitely have the language options, and also is your WordPress, is this a WordPress multi-site? If you have any specific preference regarding this, you can hit on yes. and then you guys can add according to your needs. But for the course of this video, I'm just basically sticking with the preferred one and then hit site. So as you can see at the moment, it's basically compiling the database and creating one for you so that you can access to the website. All right, so you can see it's starting up the site services, and here as you guys can see, the progress is running, which means it's going to create a website for you. And meanwhile, I have also received option to allow this locally to use my Windows command processor. So you give it a yes, and then as you can see, it's downloading the WordPress now. So it will take a little bit of time depending upon your specification on your computer or laptop. If it's a good or high-end laptop or a computer, then it's going to install it with no time. And obviously, if you have a good internet speed, then it can also download the remaining files or download the main files that it need to install WordPress in your laptop or computer. But for me, I have a little bit slow internet, so that is why it is taking a time. But if you have a good internet and you have a good specs in computer, then you can install it by no time. So as you guys can see, it is adding WordPress to my website with the credentials that I have created in previously in the previous option where I have given it a username and the password. So this is basically setting up the WordPress for me so that I can just hit on WP admin over here. At the moment, it's grayed out because it is adding the WordPress to my website, so that is why. But once it is successfully added, I would be able to go into my dashboard and open up my website on the browser, and then I can access it from there. So let's wait and until the WordPress session is completed. All right, so as you guys can see, my WordPress is successfully installed. If I hit on open site, and then it will show me the website I have created on the WordPress. But if I'm going to hit on the WP admin, then it will give me the dashboard to log in, so I can access or customize the website. So I choose the code canvas, the password. Oh, I'm sorry, I put in the wrong password. All right, so let's hit on login, and then you guys can see it is getting me into the dashboard. Voila! So here is your dashboard to your WordPress website, guys. From here, you guys can customize your website. You guys can post. You guys can upload media. You guys can create pages. You guys can see the comments. You guys can change the themes. You guys can hit on the editor section to view the files. So each and everything is here in your WordPress dashboard. So guys, for the course of this video, we have successfully hosted our WordPress website locally in our computer. So as soon as my computer or my laptop is turned on, I will be able to access my website's dashboard, each and everything. But as soon as my laptop or my computer shuts down, the whole network shuts down with it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you want me to help you to customize your website, or if you want me to help you to set up an hosting server on your hosting or any other hosting services. I'll be more than happy to do so. All right, so for the course of this video, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code and Canvas. See you in the next video. Peace.